G'day and welcome to Gotax Bites. Chomp, 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 chomp. Look out! The ATO has released their Audit Hot Spots for the year, and they've figured out that if you're working from home, your work expenses must certainly be different to working from an office. Over to Lyndall.
If you're working from home, you can't make the same claims as if you're not working from home.
Duh! So when you're working in an office, you used to claim laundry and motor vehicle and uniform and all that type of stuff. Now you're working from home, you're probably doing your work in your pyjamas. So, as you can see, your deductions will be different. And no, you can't claim laundry on your pyjamas unless it has your employer's logo on it. I wonder where you put the logo. And the moccasins don't qualify as protective footwear, and your son's toy Jeep doesn't qualify as motor vehicle expenses. The tax office will compare your year against year deductions, and so don't just get last year's deductions and add 10%. What else, Lyndall?
The ATO is also on the hunt for logbook errors found with cars.
Always the case. To get your logbook right, firstly you must make sure that all the items in a line in the logbook are fully completed. No dittos. Secondly, just be mindful that using your car must be work related and your logbook must be for a period of 12 weeks. So Lyndall, what do you do?
Get the app.
Why?
Because it has a logbook in it. So be really smart. Download Deduction Grabber using this QR code.
Our experienced tax accountants thoroughly check your tax return before it's lodged. We want to ensure your information is correct and to ensure you're not missing out on any tax deductions. You'll be surprised at what some of our clients forget to add in.
Okay, Lyndall, anything else?
Yes, those who make personal super contributions and wish to claim it as a tax deduction need to make sure that they submit a notice of intent to claim form through their super fund and wait for an acknowledgement letter before lodging their tax return. Also, home office expenses can be claimed at 80 cents per hour, which we discuss in another episode of Gotax Bites.
And remember, when claiming any tax deductions, it must be related to the earning of your income. You can't be reimbursed, and you need to have a record to prove your expenses. And I don't mean a music record, I mean receipts and logbooks.
Gotta go tax, gotta go tax.